Hi, I'm Zola, and this is a Pilates tutorial for spine stretch forward. Let's get started. So my legs are long, and they are the width of the mat. You want to find that lift through the sides of the waist. Typically, this exercise is done after the ab series of 5, and it really feels very nice. It's a nice opening of the spine after you work those abs so hard, although the abs are still working for this. So reach the arms long in front of you. You want them parallel to the floor. They stay parallel to the floor. We inhale, sit tall. You exhale, curl the chin to the chest. It's like you're diving the top of your head down to the floor in front or next to your knees and peeling away from an imaginary wall. The pelvis stays stable though. So as much as you round down, I'm still also trying to find a lift through the waist. It's like a big fight within my own body. Inhale, roll up, stack the vertebra one on top of the other. And exhale, sit tall. Again, inhale. Exhale, chin to chest. Press those heels down. My spine is rounding forward, but my pelvis stays stable. Fingertips reaching forward, ribs and waist pulling back in opposition. Inhale, roll up. Stack the spine, one over top of the other. Exhale, sit tall. If we do this in one breath, which is a little bit more intermediate or advanced, inhale, sit tall. You exhale, dive down. You inhale, roll up. And just exhale, roll right back down. Inhale, roll up. And exhale, rest. Now, things you will notice in your own body is that as you round forward, your shoulders will want to, I'll show you from this direction, will want to roll up into your ears. It feels like to get the roundness of the upper back or flexion of the thoracic spine that your shoulders have to lift to the ears, and they do not. They're going to want to, but they do not have to do that. So you have to figure out in your own body, how can you find that lift and that roundedness of the thoracic spine without involving the shoulders, which is really hard. Your shoulder blades are going to move on your back naturally, and that's okay. But also, I'm not shrugging my shoulders to the ears. I'm trying to keep them actively pulling down. Another good way or nice way to do this is to stack the palms, place the hands behind the head. Really stack the palms, by the way. Push the head and hands into each other and lift the back of the neck. You do the same thing. You roll yourself down, but with that hand to head connection, it's like you get an extra little stretch here. And it just feels really good. You can even do some pulses here. It just feels really nice. And that is spine stretch forward. Give it a try if you haven't, and let me know how it goes in the comments. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.